Welcome to another UCView training video. In this video, we'll be going over how to create a layout for your digital signage system. A layout is the arrangement of sections or zones in which you will be adding content and positioning it within the screen. To begin, let's click on Locations and drop down to Layout Designs. Once we're here, although we have a ton of different templates you can choose from within our App Store, you also have the ability to create your own look and feel. So let's click on Create a Layout. Once we've gone to this page, it's going to ask us to fill out this form. First thing you would go ahead and do is type the name of the layout that you are creating. So in this example, we'll go ahead and choose UCView Training Layout, followed by the resolution of the screen. So as you can see, we have all the different types of resolution available, and if we don't have it, you can select custom. After that, you'll be able to add a background image right from your computer, and you also have the ability to bring in an overlay. Now we go ahead and hit save. Once we saved, you are now going to see a new set of options with the preview of what the screen looks like to the right, and then all the tools we're going to need on the left. So first things first, we select the section that we want. We'll go ahead and add a few here all at the same time. Now you'll have a couple different options. You'll be able to go ahead and type in the different values which are pixel accurate, or you can drag and drop based on where you want to have it on the screen. So for this example, we're going to be creating the different sections, positioning and resizing based on the most common method, which would be drag and drop. So as you can see, all I'm doing is resizing by using the drag and drop feature and positioning on the screen wherever I feel the zone should be. And as if you notice, you'll be able to see that the values actually do change as you reposition and resize the zones on the screen. Once we're done, we hit update all, and that saves the positioning of all the sections. Now that the layout has been saved, you'll be able to add that to any player that you would want within your network. And that concludes the training on how to create a layout within the interface. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call, jump on our chat, or open up a ticket for any type of support that you may have. Thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next training video.